this is part 3. Let me explain the 3 automation helper. So first one, the helper 01 is to auto-commit your repository. So if you have your own GitHub repository and some settings, we can schedule the health check and schedule the commit. For example, you can set 1440 to schedule auto commit your repository every day. So for demo purpose, I set the health 1 and the auto commit to 3. Then this is the helper 02. The helper 02 is to sync the data from the cloud and update to your local Docker DB. So for example, we have another client to auto update the data from the table. We call the client's JSON data. So this helper will auto to check, and usually I set every 30 minutes, but for the purpose I just use the 1 here. Okay. Then for the helper 03 is to in the reverse direction. For example, if you have any changes, the schema changes, or create another table from the local instance Docker, then this helper will automatically to upload the schema data to every 1 minute right now. Usually I will set the 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes we can synchronize the schema for all the tables to the cloud. So let's do it for the demo. So I already set out the code here. So all we need to do is to make sure we have this here, and we can rebuild. Okay, so we have the same. Let's check the query. Okay, and the dashboard, yes, the same. Okay, then let's move on to how to say that. Let's check the automation, the 3 helper. So let's refresh this one. Yes, right now we have this one. So it means like we have the client table and the client data, and we have the client schema here. Okay, with the client ID, something like that, and we have the action schema here. So it will automatically centralize to update your target folder, which is this folder ID you want to copy to your environment. Then there's another one. Okay, good. So we have the schema right now. Right now, let's check to the log file. We should see 3 helpers. So let's do refresh. So right now I can see 1 helper here, auto commit. See? So it say this is this program name, the auto helper, and the time, because it's in a container. So we have the timestamp. Then it's 5:48. Okay. Then we can check our GitHub repository. Indeed, we have some update, maybe. Yeah, because we didn't change too much. Let's check the automation. 4 hours ago. Okay. Interesting. We need to wait for the 3 minutes, because this is a healthy log. They did not do the action yet. We need to wait 3 minutes. Let's check the log. So we are in the demo, and we have the this one. Oh, just need logs, and this one. See, they try to commit, but there is nothing to commit, right? So that's why we cannot see the commit actions. So let's make some changes. So let's make sure it will commit. So let's do, we have the haha test. So let's do bonjour. It's auto commit test at. Okay, so right now we have the test file is changes, so we need to wait at least the 3 minutes. So let's check. Then we can still keep logging here. See, they check the one file change, one accelerations, and they do the commit right now. So let's wait. It should be taking some time because this is using the web token from the GitHub, so it's not very fast compared to the SSH. It's use the HTTPS. Okay, so it's done. Let's check. It's not here, and it's not automatic pop up. Let's check the GitHub. So we can see the haha 3 minutes ago. See, we indeed have the automatic update. This one, bonjour, right? It's good, but I should see the log file into our centralized Google Drive as well. But right now I didn't see it, so I really want to check here. Then we can close the demo. So let's go back here. So the Jarvis. So we create a central folder is under the demo here, right? Then we have the, I remember we put in on the log file here. Then we have everything. But we didn't see the log action. Maybe it's here. Client, we have the schema here, but we don't see the actions. So let's debug. So we have upload the environment, and we have the log data, and we have log file, and we put into log dir. Okay, so it's in the log, and we open the file. So let's see our local. So we should see something like yeah, we have this one action here. Okay, so we can check this one. Okay, changes file haha.ts. Yes, so we indeed have this one. Let me check this number so we can check where it is on the cloud. No, here's the .json. Then we can use this one. No. Interesting. So we indeed have this in the logo, and we put the log file. Oh, I see. Because this is a bug. See, we have the log file here, but this one is the open file, so we should put it on here. Then this is a bug, so let me fix this. Fix the bug for up correct pass. Okay, so right now let's check. It should be right now we can have everything done. So let's rebuild again, then we can close this. So for the quick understand to check the result, let's make the commit to 1 minute as well. And we do have the, oh whoops, anyway, so let's do this one. Okay, then let's do rebuild, docker rebuild. So this one right now we already check everything. So right now we just need to check the only one thing is the auto commit the health log. What kind of file we changes, it should be all centralized to the Google main drive. We specific the target folder. So once it's done, we can take a rest. And I can go to the bar. So let's check this one. So automations here. Okay, we have something changes recently. Yeah, the suite helper, and you can check out the lecture one by one. Is the small progress each one by one. So you don't need to follow this exactly, but if you see these lectures without difficulty to understand, then you are good to move on to the next lectures. Okay. Then let's do. Oh yeah, we don't. I need to make sure this is the markdown. So let me do this. Well, so let's do. What kind of lecture? This is the lecture 7 to lecture 7. Okay. So it will automatically update, so we don't care to push anyway. Okay, let's check the result. Okay, so running. Then we can. Yes, we have the DB. Okay. The superset. Okay, as usual. Then we can doc ps. It's running. And let's check the Google Drive. So let's go back to the demo log, refresh. So right now we have the 2323. Yes, we have the helper, but we don't have the helper 1, which is very strange. We have the 32323. So we need to check the bug. I hate the bug. So let me check. Oh, it's working. So it's just taking some time. So it's 2 file changes, rename. And this just wait a little bit. And once it's done, we need to see the action log from the cloud, then we are finished. Okay, it's update. So let's go check. This one maybe refresh. So indeed, let's check. See, retest again. So indeed, the automation helper will automatically update the file. And now let's check with the centralized data. Refresh. Yeah, we see the one here. Yes, we see the action here. This is very important. The action means like we make the changes and they update this and update the DB as well. I think in the previous the JSON they updated haha.test, but in this time they just update this one. So let me check this another one maybe. We don't care as long as we see this, that's fine. Okay, so that's it. You can centralize all your data schema and all your health log with every instance you are running and every action you made to the cloud with your centralized ID here, as long as you have your own credential. You have your own credential and your GitHub token, that's fine. Then you can keep to implement this feature in this repository. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.